Hello everyone. Today Indian stock market top 5 gainers and losers list. Date 30 January 2025. Top losers large cap. Top 5 Adani Power decreased 2.67%. Top 4 Shriram Finance decreased 2.75%. Top 3 Adani Enterprise decreased 2.85%. Top 2 ABB India decreased 6.41%. And top 1 Tata Motors decreased 7.40%. Now top gainers list. Top 5 Adani Total Gas increased 2.83%. Top 4 Dabur India increased 3.01%. Top 3 Power Finance Corporation increased 3.66%. Top 2 Bharat Electronics increased 4.32%. And top 1 Indian Railway Finance Corp increased 4.59%. Top losers mid cap. Top 5 Paytm decreased 4.54%. Top 4 Cofros decreased 4.59%. Top 3 M-Peses decreased 4.71%. Top 2 Oracle Financial Service Software decreased 5.68%. And top 1 Voltas decreased 13.89%. Top gainers mid cap. Top 5 SJVN increased 3.54%. Top 4 KPIT Technologies increased 4.59%. Top 3 Suzlon Energy increased 4.98%. Top 2 Solar Industries India increased 5.17%. And top 1 SRF increased 6.24%. Top losers small cap. Top 5 Amber Enterprise India decreased 3.94%. Top 4 Keynes Technology India decreased 4.64%. Top 3 Intellect Design Arena decreased 5.53%. Top 2 Wellspun Living decreased 6.17%. And top 1 Computer Age Management Service decreased 7.80%. Now top gainers list. Top 5 Jammu and Kashmir Bank increased 4.62%. Top 4 Shoyam Materials and Energy increased 5.46%. Top 3 Electra Green Tech increased 7.49%. Top 2 JMB Auto increased 7.71%. And top 1 Labos Labs increased 8.21%. Important announcement. This YouTube channel is not SEBI registered YouTube channel. Here I am not recommending any stock buy and sell. That is buy and sell stock at your own risk.